In this video,
We have a problem like this that says find the value of x in the special right triangle. And we could tell this is a right triangle because there's a little square here. That means 90 degrees. Okay, so in a 30, 60, 90 triangle, the side ratios are for the short leg, which is opposite the 30 degrees, it equals to k. For the long leg that's opposite the 60 degrees, this is the long leg, it's k times the square root of 3. And for opposite the 90 degrees, the hypotenuse equals 2k. So the short leg equals k, the long leg equals k root 3, and then the hypotenuse equals 2k. Okay? So now we can find the value of k. We can use this information to figure that out. So k root 3 equals 4 root 3, right? So now we could just solve for k. We can divide both sides by the square root of 3. And when we do that, this root 3 cancels and this root 3 cancels, and we're just left with 4. So k is equal to 4. Well, that makes things very easy now. So for the short leg, k equals x, right? K equals x. So we know what k is, it's 4. We know k is 4, so we just plug that in. So x equals 4. So we could take that one step further. We can also solve for the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse equals 2k, which equals 2 times 4, which equals 8. So our hypotenuse is 8. And that's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could rewatch the video as well. Take a look at the description. You'll find a link there to my ebook. You could download it. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, there's links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. You could check those out if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.